traders, welcome. This is Market Commentary with Axiory, and we're gonna start with FOMC Meeting Minutes from yesterday. All participants agreed that rates should stay restrictive for some time. The FOMC Minutes also show that all agreed that Fed can proceed carefully. It was said that most continued to see upside inflation risk. Also from those minutes we found out that the vast majority of participants continue to judge future path of the economy as highly uncertain. The last important thing from those minutes that we could read was that several participants commented that with policy rate at or near peak, decisions and communications should shift to how long rates stay restrictive versus how high they will rise. After those minutes, we did not see any significant moves on the market. I think all eyes are now on inflation numbers which will be published today. So we dive smoothly into today's calendar. In the middle of the European session, we at the very beginning of the American session, in the middle of the European session, beginning of the American session, we are going to get inflation numbers from the US. 3.6% is expected, which would be a decline from 3.7. And let's see how currencies look like and indices look like after FOMC minutes and before inflation numbers. So first I would like to show you Nasdaq, which is climbing higher for the past few days, escaped from the sideways trend and currently is testing the upper line of the wedge pattern. Breakout to the upside from this wedge, that will be an amazing buy signal. Now, buy signals is already here on S&P 500 because the price came back above the neckline. This red line is the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head and right shoulders. So that's a cancellation of that's a denial of this formation and a buy signal. Now let's take a look at the currencies because American dollar is losing right now ahead of this data. Here we have euro dollar. Inverse head and shoulders pattern, breakout of the neckline, breakout to the upside from the channel down formation. So definitely good times for euro and bad times for the American dollar. And the American dollar to Swiss franc, new midterm lows. Here we had the double top formation above absolutely key horizontal resistance of 0.91. The price came back below. That's a proper sell signal. After the breakout of this black uptrend line, we're going to have an acceleration of the sell signal, although some kind of a bounce can happen here. So the sentiment for the American dollar is currently rather negative. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.